All right.
I love you for your heart. I love you for your passion. I love how you always manage to make me smile even in my darkest moments. Your support is unwavering, and I love how you make me want to go out and become a better person day by day. Admit it wasn't the way I felt when I first met you. I still remember how nervous I was the first time you came to the restaurant after my sneaky stalking moment when she finally arrived in London. I remember you were wearing those cute jeans and your white blouse, which I admittedly ruined by washing them. And the most incredible smile on your face when you walked through the door. I think I knew from the moment I met you, I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. I love our family walks, and seeing you smile and laugh makes me feel like all the problems in the world just fade away. You are, without a doubt, the most amazing woman I have ever met.
How are we doing?
I am forever in awe over your ambition, your strength, your smarts, your big heart. I love the way you care for others before yourself. I love your never-ending hugs and cuddles. I don't know if you remember the first time we met. You were interviewing me for a job with Jason Atherton. And I knew I couldn't take it because I'd have a crush on my boss. And somehow, after not speaking, you magically texted me the day I moved to London. Moments like these remind me of our loving journey so far and the more memories to create in the future.
Oh, wow. Hi. Oh, you look beautiful.
You look so good. I love your suit.
Oh, she got my pacemaker.
Ah! Oh, I did not get it. Oh, lie.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay, that's all right. Oh my gosh, here he is.
Grandpa.
God bless.
Thank you too.
Welcome.
My God.
Today is a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, of family, and of two people whose bond will be eternal.
Stefan, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, with a pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
Jacqueline, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, with a pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always, forever.
I now pronounce you married. You may kiss the bride.
Instead, I hope that you always know how truly extraordinary it is to fall deeper in love with the same person every single day for the rest of your lives. Here's to Mr. and Mrs. Kowal.